Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Dyson vacuum cleaners and we are going to compare three. We've got a toddler version and it doesn't actually suck, trust me, but it's kind of cool. We've got a DC59, also known as the V6, and we also have a brand new vacuum cleaner, the V11. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, we are at a room where we just painted, so it is ready to be vacuumed. On the far left-hand side is the toddler version of the Dyson vacuum cleaner. If you think I'm joking, I'm not. That thing is awesome. In the middle is the V6, also known as the DC59, and on the far right is our brand new V11. What we'll do is use the toddler one first, see what we can pick up. All right, let's see what it picked up. Oh, check that out. Huh. Let's go grab the V6 next. V6 is next, and it is completely emptied out. Let's go ahead and vacuum this entire room. Vacuum the entire room, and there's a little bit of debris in there. Now it's time to test the V11. All right, here we go. This thing is a monster. Brand new, never used. And let's see what it does. Very quiet. A lot quieter than the V6. All right, very pleased with the sound of this new vacuum. As you can see here, we did pick up a little bit of dust and debris down below. So we are very happy. What we did notice as we were vacuuming, it was changing through the modes to increase the life of the battery. I thought that was pretty neat. Hopefully this helps, DIYers. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Awesome sound. Sounds like a jet engine. Very unique jet engine. Pretty neat. All right, DIYers. With the V6, I vacuumed about a week ago and not much activity down here in the basement in the past week, and used the V11. Impressive. A definite upgrade. I am very impressed because, again, I just vacuumed this a week ago with the V6 and it did well, but not as good as the V11. Extremely impressive.